Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick rundown on how to interact with GenLayer and do their testnet for builders. This video is for builders only. So if you are new here, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button today, and so you won't miss out on my next video. I'm going to be pushing out more videos in the coming weeks now. I'm active right now guys, so let's get right into the video. First of all, you want to click the link in the description below and you sign up. You're going to see a wallet connect button at the top right there, at the top right of the screen. You're going to click on it, sign in with your wallet. Once you sign in with your wallet, it's going to bring you to a new page, which you're going to see very soon. Like it's going to show you a new page, like a form. Once you see the form, you're going to fill in your details, like your name, your display name, your email, and all of that. Just put in your email and that, and then you come over here. As you can see, my name, you see the name, that is it, the email, and you can see the details. You're going to see all of this like this. You're going to fill everything in. Then you're going to see something like this page: builders, supporters, validators. You're going to choose one. So this video is for builders, obviously, so you're going to choose the builders option. Once you choose the builders option, you're going to see something to like a contribution, a task. You're going to see like, I think about eight tasks there for you to do. So I'm going to be showing you the one I did. Like it's not going to display anymore, but I'm going to show you like the XP I got for doing mine. As you can see, my name there, MB, I got 50 points, yeah, for doing it. You know, I became a builder, as you can see. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be showing you how to do it, but not the full thing because I already did mine. So I'm just going to be running it down and showing you the hard part, which a lot of people don't understand. And the hard part is how to deploy a contract. You feel me? Now a lot of people be like, oh, how are we going to deploy a contract? So you're going to go to the studio, the link. You're going to see that's the 8th task, the last task. You're going to come here, you're going to see it here. As you can see the link, studio.genlayer.com. You're going to come over here, you're going to choose one. You go to contract, I'm going to choose one of the contracts there. I chose the football contract, the football betting contract, because I don't know, it's random. I can choose anyone I want, and then I'm going to connect your wallet. Don't forget to connect your wallet over there. As you can see, do not forget this, because they're going to generate a random wallet for you, and once you deploy with the random wallet, you're not going to get the points. So you make sure you connect your wallet. You come over there, you see deploy, you see the messages, then you click on deploy. Like you choose the file you want to deploy, you click on deploy. A wallet confirmation is going to pop up at the right side of your screen. If you're using a mobile device, I don't think it's going to be very easy for you, but you'll see a pop-up, right? So then, as you can see, you'll see finalized, but it should show deploying, initializing, deploying, then finalized. You feel me? So once you show finalized, it means it's a done deal. Then you can go back to your dashboard and claim your points, like claim the points for doing that. Also, don't forget to star their repository. Well, that is a very compulsory task, so I don't think without doing that you can proceed to doing this, to deploying the contract. And I hope this video is very helpful for all of you, and those of you that were waiting to, you know, be able to deploy contracts on this GenLayer, which is very easy. It's quite easy. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys more and more content on GenLayer if I'm permitted to. So let's see how it goes, guys. So thank you guys for watching.